2008, we set out to rethink the hitch rack from the ground up. Our latest creation is the most advanced and easy-to-use rack we have made, ever. Meet the Piston Pro X. When we started creating the Piston Pro X, we took our design successes and failures and set out to improve on all of them. We knew we wanted one hand, one tap, pneumatic tire arm operation with zero contact on the bike frame. We wanted LED taillights and simple tool-free adjustable tire chock slides for all bike sizes and tires. Finally, we wanted the most durable materials and coatings. All things we knew we wanted in a rack, but had never seen together in one. After years of hard work, we're more than a little excited to share this revolutionary rack with you. Here are just a few features of the Piston Pro X hitch rack. It's burly and designed to stay that way. Our metal construction and 10-year no-fade Tiger powder coat means it will look great for the long haul. Our exclusive partnership with Kashima brings the most advanced coatings on the planet where you need it. One simple tap and the pneumatic arms open wide. Then you just ratchet them in to fit on your bike tire perfectly. No contact with the frame. Beautiful and amazingly durable. It makes bells and whistles jealous. Perhaps our brightest idea yet. Folded or flat, these integrated LED lights ensure your beautiful ride doesn't block the taillights on your rig. Attaching is uber simple with a magnetic plug that fits right into your trailer light connection. And just like that, you've got working turn signals, brake, and running lights on your rack. Whether you're rolling on smallish wheels or beefy tires, you won't need any adapters or tools to make them fit. Just squeeze and slide to adjust the arms to hold 20 to 29-inch tires, up to 5 inches wide, and up to a 53-inch wheelbase. No more wondering where you put the tool you need to make your rack wobble-free. It's right where you need it, when you need it, held in place magnetically. Plus, you can lock it up for added security. The hitch lock keeps the rack secured so no one can slide it out when you're not looking. And the semi-integrated 12mm cable lock makes sure your bike stays locked up tight while looking tight. Our flat lock hitch cam is also a security tool for double safety. When you have more than 2 bikes, quickly add 1 or 2 additional riders with our Quick Connect 1 bike or 2 bike add-on. The modular design makes attaching additional trays super simple, and the in-pull handle makes pivoting the rack up and down convenient. Even easier than that, the lights automatically connect. Boom. Easily load and unload heavier cruisers and e-bikes with the optional e-bike ramp, and save the grunt work for the ride. And no need to take off the front bikes to get to the back one. The Piston makes selective bike unloading a simple option. All of these features and so much more with the Piston Pro X from Kuat, the hitch rack evolved.